If your rugged phone is super heavy and doesn't feel like a smartphone at all, don't worry because Oukitel has a new device called the Oukitel WP68 Air. It looks stylish and as the name says, it's actually lighter and more comfortable to use while still keeping full rugged protection. The Oukitel WP68 Air combines an ultra slim 11.9mm body, a massive 8000 mAh battery, and real rugged durability in one device. You still get a large 6.88-inch 120Hz display with 45-watt fast charging, a 64-megapixel main camera plus beautiful macro camera, Android 16, and up to 512 GB storage with RAM expansion. So the idea here is simple: rugged durability, but in a lightweight and more daily-friendly design. Let's see how it performs in real life. The packaging is the same as usual, with the Oukitel WP68 Air branding on the front and some specs on the back of the box. So inside the box, we get the Oukitel WP68 Air itself, and it also comes with a transparent hard plastic case. Let's put it aside for a while. User manuals and some extra paperwork. A 45-watt PD charging adapter, a red USB Type-C cable. And let me show you this transparent protective case. Everything is packed securely and organized nicely. First impression is actually surprising. Even though it's a rugged phone, it feels noticeably lighter in hand compared to traditional rugged devices, which immediately makes it more comfortable for daily use. It still feels solid, just not overly heavy. Now let's talk about the design. The WP68 Air has a rugged but modern cyber-futuristic look. You get reinforced corners, textured sides for extra grip, and a premium finish that makes it stand out. It comes in 3 colors: black, green, and orange. The phone still feels surprisingly manageable in the hand. It is ultra slim at just 11.9mm, and it only weighs 309.5 grams. Which is impressive considering it still packs an 8000 mAh battery inside. They use next generation silicon carbon battery technology. The WP68 Air achieves higher energy density within a slimmer form factor. On the sides, you've got rounded volume buttons, a power button with fingerprint scanner, a customizable button for quickly opening apps or camera, a dual SIM tray, which can also be used for memory expansion. So this is clearly designed for people who want rugged protection without carrying extra weight all day. On the front, we get a large 6.88-inch HD+ display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes scrolling and animations feel very smooth. Watching YouTube, movies, or using maps outdoors actually feels very comfortable thanks to the solid brightness and large screen size. The bezels are slimmer compared to older rugged phones, especially on the sides and top, and overall the display looks sharp and modern, which also means you can stream high-quality Netflix content properly and enjoy gaming on a big screen. The phone is built for water, dust, and tough outdoor conditions. For the water test, I'm putting the phone directly under running water, and as you can see, it handles it without any issues. You can even take pictures and record videos underwater by using the custom button to quickly open the camera, while the volume buttons work as shutter and video controls, which is actually very useful underwater. Even after testing, the phone continues working perfectly fine. That's exactly what you want from a rugged device like this. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7025 5G platform, 6 nanometers up to 2.5 GHz. It is paired with 12 GB RAM plus 24 GB virtual RAM, 512 GB storage, up to 2 TB expandable storage via memory card. This is honestly flagship level memory for a rugged phone. It also supports 5G global bands, NFC, gyroscope, Android 16, Gemini AI features, and Smart Tools support. So feature-wise, this phone is packed. The main camera has triple camera system, which includes a 64-megapixel main camera, 8-megapixel night vision, and 2-megapixel macro camera, plus a 32-megapixel front camera. In good lighting, it captures detailed and sharp images, especially for outdoor shots and travel use. Colors are natural and it performs well for social media, documentation, and work-related photography. The macro camera can take close-up shots from around 4 centimeters shooting distance, which is great for capturing small details. And honestly, the result looks really nice. Even when I tried the same shot with my iPhone 14, I couldn't get such a detailed close-up like the WP68 Air. The 8-megapixel night vision camera delivers strong low light and night performance, supported by its camera system and sensors. Combined with processing, it performs surprisingly well in darker environments. This makes it useful for night exploration, camping, security work, outdoor inspection, emergency situations. Now you don't need to worry if you lose yourself in dark places. This phone can help you see things clearly in the dark. It's a really cool feature. This is a new smartphone from Oukitel WP68 Air, and this is a result from the front camera, which is 32 megapixel, and I'm recording this video in 1080p. This is the max quality you can get from the front camera. The quality result looks pretty good in this condition. Not bad. You can see the quality. I'm telling you the truth, this quality looks really better from the previous models I reviewed from Oukitel. This is nice from the front camera. Let me show you the running result. Alright, it's not that stable. Okay, it's tracking actually, it's tracking my face and that person's face. Now the tracking comes again. I don't know, you can see, but yep. Now it's time to record the video from the back camera, which is 64 megapixel. I'm walking. Okay, and this is 1x. Let's try out on these buildings. Oh, pretty far, right? This is 1x. This is 2x. Okay, 2x, and then you can zoom in to 10x. This is 10x. This is 5x. This is 1x. Pretty far. See the result? So many babies. I'm walking slowly and now I'm running. I'm recording this video in 2K so you can have the better quality result rather than 1080p. This is 2x result from the back camera.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine.
So overall, the Oukitel WP68 Air is honestly a beautiful rugged smartphone. It has tons of features that you will need for traveling or daily life use. It feels like a real outdoor and fieldwork tool, but also something you can comfortably carry every day. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the purchase link in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, it does.